Can you imagine a future where artificial intelligence shapes every aspect of our lives? A world where our education, healthcare, communication, law enforcement, personal assistance, urban infrastructure, transportation, financial management, manufacturing, and agriculture are all revolutionized by AI technologies. Let's embark on a journey to explore the upcoming marvels of AI. Picture this: a classroom where each student enjoys a personalized learning experience tailored to their pace, proficiency, and learning style. This is the future of education, made possible by AI algorithms that adapt and evolve to meet the unique needs of diverse learners. Now, imagine a healthcare system where diseases like cancer are diagnosed early and accurately through AI-enabled imaging and data analysis. Personalized treatment plans, driven by AI, improve patient outcomes and streamline healthcare services, making advanced diagnostics and treatment accessible to all. Visualize a world without language barriers. AI breaks down these barriers with near-perfect real-time translation and interpretation, facilitating global communication and collaboration across different languages and cultures. Envision a safer society where AI predicts crime patterns and hotspots, enabling law enforcement agencies to allocate resources effectively and prevent crimes before they occur. Imagine your virtual assistant becoming more intuitive, proactive, and capable of handling complex tasks. AI-powered assistants will manage your schedules, offer recommendations, and even provide companionship, becoming integral to daily life. Consider a city where AI manages traffic flows, optimizes public transport, and monitors urban environments. This smart, responsive urban infrastructure reduces congestion, pollution, and enhances our living standards. Think about the transformation of transportation with mature self-driving technology leading to widespread use of autonomous vehicles. This revolution reduces accidents and reshapes logistics and delivery services. Reflect on the convenience of AI transforming personal finance management, offering customized advice on budgeting, investing, and savings. It automates and optimizes financial decisions for individuals and businesses. Contemplate manufacturing processes becoming highly efficient and flexible with AI-driven automation. Predictive analytics optimizes supply chains, reducing costs and improving product availability. Finally, ponder over AI optimizing farming practices, increasing food production efficiency and sustainability, and helping to address global food challenges. These advancements will not only enhance efficiency and productivity, but also open up new opportunities and challenges, shaping the future of how humans live and work. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into each of these technologies. First on our list, personalized education and advanced healthcare. Picture a classroom where AI is the assistant teacher, offering personalized learning experiences. Algorithms, as invisible mentors, will adapt to each student's learning style, pace, and proficiency. This will make education not just more effective, but also more accessible for diverse learners. Now let's step into a future healthcare facility. Here, AI will play a vital role in early and more accurate diagnoses of diseases like cancer. It will do this through sophisticated imaging and data analysis, but it doesn't stop there. AI-driven personalized treatment plans will improve patient outcomes and streamline healthcare services. In both these scenarios, the common thread is personalization. AI will tailor experiences to individual needs, creating a more inclusive and effective system. Imagine a world where education and healthcare are tailored to your individual needs. Moving on to language translation and predictive policing. In the realm of communication, artificial intelligence is poised to break down language barriers like never before. Imagine near-perfect real-time language translation and interpretation, powered by AI. This technology will not only facilitate global communication, but also foster collaboration across diverse languages and cultures. Let's shift gears and look at law enforcement. Predictive policing, powered by AI, is set to revolutionize crime prevention. AI algorithms will analyze vast amounts of data to predict crime patterns and hotspots. This means law enforcement agencies can allocate resources more effectively and potentially prevent crimes before they occur. In essence, AI is set to transform our world in ways we are just beginning to grasp. Language barriers will be a thing of the past, and crime prevention will take a leap forward. The future of artificial intelligence holds promise for a world where communication is universal and safety is enhanced through predictive policing. Next up, enhanced virtual assistants and smart urban infrastructure. As we move forward, we are seeing a notable shift in the capabilities of our virtual assistants. Artificial intelligence is powering this evolution, making these digital helpers more intuitive and proactive. Imagine a virtual assistant that doesn't just respond to your commands but anticipates your needs, manages your schedule, offers tailored recommendations, and even provides companionship. They are moving beyond mere utilities and becoming integral to our daily lives. On the urban front, AI is helping to create smarter, more efficient cities. It's not just about managing traffic flows and optimizing public transport anymore. AI is monitoring urban environments, predicting needs and addressing issues even before they arise. This proactive approach is reducing congestion, cutting down on pollution, and improving urban living standards. The future looks promising, doesn't it? Our cities will become more livable and our personal assistants more reliable. Now, let's talk about autonomous vehicles and financial management. Imagine a world where self-driving cars are the norm. This isn't just a sci-fi fantasy, it's the future we're heading towards. Autonomous vehicles powered by sophisticated AI algorithms will revolutionize our transportation systems. These vehicles will be safer, reducing incidents caused by human error. They'll also be more efficient, optimizing routes to reduce travel times and fuel consumption. The logistics and delivery services will be transformed as autonomous vehicles operate round the clock, increasing productivity and reducing costs. On the other side, AI is set to make significant strides in the realm of financial management. Complex algorithms will analyze your spending habits, income, and financial goals to offer tailored advice on budgeting, investing, and savings. Automated systems will handle tedious tasks like bill payments and tax calculations, making personal finance management a breeze. Getting from point A to B will be a breeze, and managing finances will be hassle-free. Finally, we'll look at manufacturing, agriculture, and what the future holds. Imagine factories where AI-driven automation enhances efficiency and flexibility of manufacturing processes. Machines learning from their mistakes, improving with each cycle, and predictive analytics optimizing supply chains, reducing costs, and improving product availability. Now picture an agricultural field. AI is there too, optimizing farming practices, from predicting the optimal planting times to monitoring crop health using drones. AI increases food production efficiency and sustainability. It's a helping hand in addressing global food challenges, but this is just the beginning. These advancements will not only enhance efficiency and productivity, but will also open up new opportunities and challenges. They will shape the future of how humans live and work, transforming our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The future of AI technologies is indeed promising, offering endless possibilities.